In this video, I'm going to be teaching you Google Fi International Plan, and we're going to be discussing about it. So basically, it offers you different plans for different countries, and you can see we got first one is the unlimited premium. But if you want to access this platform, you can head over to Google Fi Wireless and then head over to plans. Once you are there, you can see we got three plans, and you can also pay by the GB. So let's just actually go back now. The first one is unlimited premium. You get different kind of plans, 100 GB of high-speed data. We got full connectivity, 50 GB of high-speed and hotspot tethering, and we also have 6 months of YouTube Premium. So that is actually pretty amazing. Then we have our unlimited standard, which comes with fewer perks, and for $80 you're gonna be getting basically it is for two. So two people can use the plan, and we have these different kind of perks enabled, and then we have unlimited essentials. So this is also really amazing. So you can get to know about these plans by yourself. You can compare them as well. Now you can see every plan comes with these different options. So I hope this was cleared and you get to know what features are offered. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. See you in the next video.